I love the moon.
Look at the wave coming.
Shit. Oh shit!
Oh no!
Oh shit! Why did you do that?
Get out!
I'm underneath you guys.
Help! Get your RPG!
I don't have an RPG.
Get
Oh,
in!
you got him?
Get in! Get in!
Stop. Okay.
Get in the back! Go!
I'm in. Can I shoot from here?
Yeah! We gotta go!
Can you not?
We made it! Watch out!
The other tricks are really far away right now. No.
George! Are you in third person or first person?
I'm in first person. You were gonna drive into the ocean.
Wait, did you jump out? Oh, you jumped.
I am hiding from the police.
Hey, the place is on fire, you know.
Yeah, that's cool. Whatever. I'm not afraid of no fire. Okay, I think I'm good. I just got some scars. Now I need to go get some better clothes.
Oh man, is he a shooter? Is he gonna shoot her? Nope.
Hey baby, I'm back.
Is
Is this a stick up, or are we like shooting people?
We gotta go. We're sticking up this lady in here. Come
Hey.
on, let's go.
Hey lady.
We want our money back. It was ugly.
She didn't empty the cash register, bruh.
Oh, ooh! I just shot you. Here, I can empty it. There we go.
Oh shit! Cop.
Got it. That's $64 back.
$64. I gave her a few thousand.
Hey, wait, we gotta close the door. Close the door. No, come in. Come in. Wait. We gotta do it. Close the door.
Ah!
Oh, someone the other one. Yeah, I'll do it. I'll do it.
Okay, you're good. We're good.
Oh no! No, it opened.
No, we're good. We just gotta stay calm. There you go! Oh my god! I don't wanna die.
1 second. I got this.
I need to eat some stuff. I am.
Woo! Party!
Hey! What? What is it? What is it?
I just wanted you. Oh no, it's spreading! It's spreading! The front door's on fire. I got one! Last shot!
Whoa,
That's
dude.
all I got left.
That was really cool.
Oh, there's another one! No!
Oh, there's a couple guys over here.
Oh, look at this guy! No, get out of here! Help! Help!
I just ambushed these guys. They didn't even know it hit them. There's a ladder. I'm on the ladder. I'm on my way up.
No, wait, we should get out of here, not come up.
It's too late. I'm already on my way up.
I'm gonna shoot you.
No, don't shoot me.
I'm just kidding, friend. Get out of here!
I think I killed somebody.
Ah!
I love it.
Well, we gotta go, dude. Oh, my car's right over here. Get out of here. We're gonna get into a helicopter. Good landing. We gotta go.
I jumped out of the helicopter. Sorry, out of the car. Okay, I need a gun. I need a better gun than that. Better. Here we go.
Oh, please don't hit the water. We're going to my yacht.
Again.
You don't have to if you don't want to. Oh man.
don't like you.
Oh, look at that! Look at that flyby.
That was pretty cool.
We're flying out to the ocean.
What? Why? Help! I've been caught by a maniac!
Don't make me crash this helicopter. Look at the moon though. Go in cinematic view.
Isn't first person kind of cinematic to begin with?
No. It's first person. Oh, we got a helicopter. Oh, look at this blue water. Take a picture right here. Look at this. You're already recording, but look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. What a screenshot. I gotta take a screenshot of that. That is fantastic. Alright, we gotta go now.
Oh wow, dude, first person.
I'm also.
I love the music.
Let's turn it on. Hey, we're gonna.
I love the moon.
Look at the wave coming.
Oh shit!
Oh no!
Oh shit! Why did you do that?
Get out! I'm drowning! How do I help? Help!
You're not drowning anymore.
We're all gone.
Oh, I see it. Oh,
Yeah,
dude,
this
I'm getting shots of it sinking.
This could be a thumbnail. This could be a thumbnail. Us stranded in GTA 5.
Stranded, man. We're stranded. Oh shit! I'm gonna drown. This is a horrible mistake.
Oh
This
yeah.
is a horrible mistake.
No! Don't leave me!
No!
Don't leave me! No!
Okay.